Welcome to today's video where we'll explore 10 work-from-home companies that are always hiring in 2025. Searching for a remote job often feels like hunting for a parking spot at the mall on Black Friday. Endless circling, stiff competition, and rising frustration. But what if I told you there's an empty parking lot right around the corner? That's exactly what these 10 companies are, hidden gems that are always hiring, offering flexible remote opportunities that many people don't know about. Let's dive into the list and find your perfect work-from-home role in 2025. A $40 billion giant in the science industry, Thermo Fisher is like the Amazon of science, creating tools and solutions that help cure diseases and save lives. Key roles: Content Optimization Specialist. Simplify complex scientific concepts for broader audiences. Instrument Sales Representative. Build relationships with businesses interested in scientific equipment. Why work here? Competitive pay and excellent benefits. Flexible, laid-back culture with minimal micromanagement. Continuous growth opportunities due to rapid expansion. Known as the Netflix of staffing, Kforce connects professionals with meaningful work opportunities. Key roles: low-code digital application builder. Earn $42 to $49 per hour creating simple digital solutions. It help desk representative. Earn $20 to $21 per hour, especially if you're bilingual in English and Spanish. Why work here? High pay rates for skilled positions. Great company culture and steady hiring. This award-winning staffing agency is highly rated for career growth and support. Key roles: B2B copywriter. Earn $40 to $50 per hour writing for businesses. IT communication specialist. Handle IT-related communications while working fully remotely. Why work here? 4.5-star rating for its supportive culture and transparency. Fast hiring process. Some employees land jobs within a week. Alorica connects remote workers with opportunities in 18 countries, providing the tools you need to succeed. Key roles: healthcare customer service representative. Start at $15 per hour with daily or weekly pay options. Global product marketing specialist. Requires only 1 to 2 years of experience. Why work here? Full benefits, tuition reimbursement, and employee discounts. Positive reviews highlight a collaborative and supportive team culture. Focused on workplace safety, J.J. Keller has been an industry leader for over 70 years. Key role: inside sales representative. Earn $53,000 to $70,000 per year with no nights or weekends. Why work here? Generous PTO and holiday packages. Ideal for sales beginners, offering great training and growth opportunities. A global leader in customer experience technology, TTEC offers numerous remote roles with clear paths for advancement. Key roles: production clerk. Entry-level role starting at $15 per hour. Quality assurance specialist. Ensure excellent customer service. Web developer. Earn $100,000 to $130,000 per year building AI-powered solutions. Why work here? Unmatched flexibility and strong global connections. Comprehensive benefits and clear career progression. Formerly Cital, founder of Emerges Insurance with innovation, offering flexible remote positions. Key role: PNC licensed agent. Earn $18 to $19 per hour in inbound insurance-related support. Why work here? Equipment provided for remote work. Positive reviews highlight a respectful, supportive work environment. One of the largest healthcare companies in the world, CVS Health goes far beyond filling prescriptions. Key roles: customer service representative. Earn $17 to $25 per hour working from home. Client implementations analyst. Earn $43,000 to $85,000 per year managing projects. Why work here? Great benefits, stock purchase options, and educational support. Flexible shifts tailored to your needs. A healthcare giant, Optum focuses on patient care and data-driven healthcare solutions. Key role: care team associate. Requires basic medical terminology and Microsoft Office skills. Why work here? Paid training, comprehensive benefits, and work-life balance. Flexible scheduling allows for autonomy and focus. Known for its educational tools and standardized testing, Pearson offers flexible part-time and full-time roles. Key roles: math scoring assistant. Earn $17.50 per hour grading standardized tests. General exam score. Similar pay with flexible scheduling options. Why work here? Excellent work-life balance and meaningful work. Great for educators or anyone seeking structured flexibility.